you're just focus on your target price, on your TP, may stress ng todo dyan. I'm gonna share with you some Tito tip. If you're asking, aabot ba dito yung price, 4K, si Ethereum, Tito, tatalbog ba pagka pumunta dito sa support? It doesn't matter kung aabot dyan or hindi aabot dyan. What only matter is your plan. How are you going to execute kung pupunta yung price doon sa target mo? And most especially, how are you going to execute your trade kung hindi pupunta doon yung price? Alright? Kasi if you're just focus on your target price, on your TP, may stress kayo ng todo dyan. Mas mag-focus kayo doon sa plano nyo, doon sa trade ninyo. Pag umabot ng 4,000, this is my TP area, I'm gonna take 50% profit. Let's say, yun ang plano mo. Pag hindi umabot ng 4,000, bumaba yan ng 3,500, I'm gonna close the trade. Malinaw, di ba? And then, let the market do its role dun sa trade mo. Gagalaw yung market. Aakyat, bababa, aakyat, bababa. All you need to do is to execute. No stress. Kasi, kung lagi kang nakafocus dun sa target price. Believe me, dumating na yung target price, hindi mo pa rin mapindot yung sell button. Bumaba na, aasa ka ulit, sana umakyat pa ulit. Pero kung may plano ka, and all you need to do is execute your plan.